Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm going to run through a short demo of a product of Microsoft called Dynamics 365 Sales, which is their CRM product. This solution, first of all, is device agnostic. So you can see I'm logged in as a browser right now. It has also got an iOS app and an Android app. So whatever I'm showing to you today, you'll get the same functionality and experience across all devices. That will mean I can see my data and do transaction and activities on the go as well. So when I log in, you can see this is my pre-configured default dashboard. I can have multiple dashboards, so such as the open opportunities and open leads. I can have multiple dashboards. So for example, instead of this social activity social dashboard, I can see my sales performance dashboard. This is the data for the entire team. As you can see, the charts and graphs are slightly different. I can also have the sales dashboard, where I can see a list view of all the activities so that I can use this for logging of data. The central repository of all CRM is actually the contact points. So in this case, Microsoft Dynamics split this into accounts, which are the companies and entities, and contacts, which are the actual persons that you keep in touch with, and which you can then link it into the accounts itself. So let's take a look at accounts. So as you can see, I can have multiple filters in which all the accounts are then filtered according to my needs. So let's go to my active accounts, in which these are all the active accounts that are assigned to me. I can easily switch or edit fields over here. You can see right now, there is actually a hierarchy button here, which I'll go to it later. Let's go and take a look at A Datum Corporation. Okay, you can see this is an important information of all A Datum information. I can add, delete, or configure the different fields easily, or switch around the positioning as well for easy placement. So more importantly, you can see there's actually a timeline. So this timeline is actually a list of all the activities that has been done to this account. Okay, so example will be appointment, phone call, task, and all the other relevant notes as well. More importantly, all emails that are typed to these contact emails will be integrated here, so you can actually see all the emails that has been configured to this that has been sent to and from this customer itself. Okay, next I'll go to open up the org chart, where you can see a list of contacts in the hierarchy view. So this is actually extremely important in bigger customers where the sales cycle can be longer, and you need to know the key decision maker and to keep in touch with the relevant correct personnel. So let's take a look at one of them and open contact records. I'll then go straight into the contact records of this particular personnel. So same thing, all the relevant information are listed out here. Same thing, I can edit or pre-configure or configure the fields easily. So same thing, there's a timeline over here. So take note of the timeline. So any timeline that is on the contact points will then be flow up to the accounts itself. So from here, let's make a appointment to meet this customer, to send a mooncake to him. And then I save. The next thing I can do is actually from here assign it to my team member. So it's now assigned to me. So let's say I want to assign to my team member, Bessie for example. And then from here, Bessie will be able to then see her activities. She'll get a notification that she has been assigned this appointment, and then she will be able to see the activities inside the activity list. So inside the activity list, let's say I have a task or a phone call that I've been assigned to. Can go to this, and then I can say I have called the person, and then I can say he replied, not interested, and I can mark this as complete. So this is how you can manage the accounts and the contacts and all the relevant activities for the accounts and contacts. Okay, I'll stop here for today. The next session, I'll be exploring the lead and opportunity management of this CRM system. Thank you very much.